Welcome back to the Paramount Woodco YouTube channel, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what we're working on in the shop. Today we're excited to share a very special project that has been in the works since the beginning of the year, which is a custom Tambour door entertainment console. This piece pushed us into a new territory with techniques and processes we've never used before, and the team absolutely crushed it. Follow along as we show you how one of our most impressive builds to date has come to life. What you're seeing here at the start of the build is the team preparing a set of stunning Buckeye Burl slabs. These pieces will be carefully cleaned up and placed into a custom resin form, allowing us to combine them into one solid body that will eventually become the foundation of this console. The client ultimately selected a translucent olive green resin, and we couldn't have been more excited about the combination with the natural tones and character of the Buckeye Burl. With the color finalized, the team began pouring the forms, and this is where the vision for the project really starts to take shape. Now that the resin panels have been fully cured and been removed from their forms, John is going to start milling and sanding them to create a perfectly flat working surface. These two panels themselves will eventually be transformed into the Tambour doors, one of the defining features of this entire piece. With the top and bottom components cut to size on our CNC, John can then begin routing all of the joinery and channels needed for the build. This includes the slots for the interior components, as well as the tracks that will allow the Tambour doors to glide smoothly throughout the entertainment console. With the cabinet components underway, John can now turn his attention to the legs. This piece features 8 tapered legs, all made from tiger maple, same as the bottom component that matches the console. All of these pieces will be ebonized later in the finishing process. The ebonizing not only creates a striking contrast against the Buckeye Burl, but also enhances the natural chatoyance of the tiger maple, bringing even more depth and character to the wood. The next step was one of the more challenging aspects of the build. For the interior components, the client chose to use Zero Coat, which is an incredibly beautiful hardwood known for its dramatic grain patterns and natural character. While the results are stunning, Zero Coat is notoriously difficult to work with. It's extremely dense, prone to chipping along the edges, and because the trees don't grow very large, sourcing material of this size is no easy task. Being both rare and demanding, it's a species that requires extra care every single step of the way. With all of the Zero Coat components milled and cut to size, it's time to begin assembling the interior structure. The team is dry fitting every piece and making fine adjustments along the way to ensure everything fits perfectly before final assembly begins. For the back panel of this console, we chose a veneer sheet of 1/2-inch plywood. Since this component is purely structural and serves primarily to enclose the cabinet, using solid hardwood would have added unnecessary costs and material waste. By applying a matching veneer, we achieve the same finished appearance while keeping the construction efficient and practical. Now comes one of the more exciting processes of this entire build. This piece is going to be getting integrated interior lighting, a feature that will dramatically enhance both its appearance and functionality. Even with the well thought out plan in place, routing and concealing all of the wiring is a meticulous process. But as everything comes together, we finally get to see the main structure of the console take shape. The team is now going to move on to the Tambour doors, which are without question the most time-consuming and detail-oriented part of this entire build. Every individual slat is cut from the resin panels we created at the beginning of the project, and each one requires a precisely machined bevel on the backside so the doors can smoothly travel throughout the console's curved tracks. Once completed, the slats are backed with a high-performance paint protection film, the same type of material commonly used on high-end race cars. This gives the Tambour doors an impressive combination of durability and flexibility, allowing them to function flawlessly while standing up for years of use. At this stage, the beauty of the piece is really starting to reveal itself. The dry fit is coming together beautifully, and while a few final adjustments are still needed, the team is quickly closing in on the finishing process. This is the moment where the crew can finally start to see all of their hard work paying off. Finish is now being applied to all of the components, and while the ebonized tiger maple looks absolutely stunning, the true stars of the show are of course the buckeye burl and resin panels. After the first coats of finish, the depth, color, and character of the burls are on full display, and we couldn't be happier with how they're turning out. With the finish complete on all of the components, it's time for the final assembly. The team can now begin gluing the structure together and focusing on the finishing touches that will bring this piece across the finish line. Now the team will bring the console upstairs for final assembly. This is where all the remaining components will come together, allowing us to make any last adjustments and ensure every detail is perfect before the piece is officially complete. Thank you for following along with this build. This was an incredibly rewarding project to design and build from the ground up. We are extremely proud of both the finished piece and the team that brought it to life. Taking on something entirely new always comes with challenges, but the crew delivered a result that meets the standard we hold ourselves to every single day. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.